Let's get started by setting up our Salesforce org for developing this component in LWC. As you can see on screen, in one of my org, I have already created this custom object called with idea along with these two fields. One is category and other is with text. The category field is of type pick list and the with text field is of type each text area along with this capacity 2768. So I will go into my org and go to setup and open object manager to create the custom object. So object manager, here I will click on create custom object, and first of all I will copy the label tweet idea, let it open, and I will write idea, and after that I will also select this option launch new custom tab wizard. The naming convention I want, then click on save. It will open that custom tab wizard and I can select an icon on next, save, and let's verify if this is created or not. So I will search with ideas, open in new, is already created. Now let's try creating the custom fields which I have shown. There is one custom field called category, and what are the various fields which I need to create. By the time it loads, I will click on this type, on next. From here I will provide the name, category, and I will paste 5 values. These are the 5 values on this printable view. On the pop-up, I can copy all the values, paste it. These are the 5 values, 5 categories which I am storing in Salesforce. On next, admin is selected. Now let's create one more field which will be used to store the with text. This is the field. Let me copy the. It will be of type each text area 32. Area. Next, the default length I am selecting. The lines I can go save it. Think our object is created and the custom fields are also created. I like all are from, you can see category, text, and tweet idea name are there. What we can also do is this tweet idea name field we can change it to auto number. Hit it. Instead of text, I can select auto number and I can give the format as starting number should be 1. Save. It will not ask me to fetch it. Now we don't need to provide the tweet idea. It will. Now we know to write the tweet idea name. Let me also give an example of the or one of these can create other select the category as motivation. Is the what you need to do is create at least 10 to 15 tweets on this the record of tweets this tweet ideas object. Also try to cover all the 5 categories like motivational, coding, fill in the blank question, and that way you will be able like you will already creating the data, and from the next video we will like start working on the component. Thank you very much.